Hello Exosolutionist. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about a one-dimensional array. This is the syntax for initializing the array. We have the data type, variable name with open close brackets that is equals to the new data type with open close brackets that has the value of the element size, or the brackets is with data types, or data type with open close brackets, and the variable name that is equals to open close braces that has the value of element without indicating the size of the element. It is that it already indicated the indexes or the size based on the element counts. Just remember that the new keyword indicates the index to start the counting to 0. For this tutorial, we will use the int, long, float, double, char, and string data types. For example, we use the int as the data type, and x is the variable name that is equals to new int, and has 5 sizes of the element. And this third example is for this method of initializing the array element. Then to add an element for the first method, we can use the sample code where the index 0 is 1, x index 1 is 2, and etc. Now for the coding part, let's open our Apache NetBeans and create a new project named as one-dimensional array. Now let's initialize an array with element size for int, long, float, double, char, and string data type. Now let's see the value element of each array by system printout. As you can see from the result, we don't know what is it, because we did not initialize an element value of each array. Now let's add an element to it. And after initializing the element, let's run it. Ow. We have forgotten something. What is it? Of course, to call the index for the array. Like this. We can call the index of the array by this code. For now, let's run it. Now we have the value of an element of arrays. Now let's print it using for loop condition with this code. Let's initialize for loop condition that starts with 0 because the array starts with 0, and we want to get all the values of the array element by getting the length of the array. Oops, we have an error, let's check it. Oh, okay, we have X error, this should be A. Let's run it again. Now see and understand the output and code flow. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out.